Yesterday, few of my students asked me regarding mixed emotions or remedies for mixed emotions to prescribe, especially related to grief. So I'm giving you some of the top 10 remedies that we use, especially for grief, having a mixed emotions with other emotions related to the grief and associated, especially associated with the grief. For example, grief with fear, gelsemium is the best remedy. Grief with indignation, estaphysigeria is the best remedy. Grief with anger, natramur is the best remedy. Grief with depression, auramate is the best remedy. Grief with tearfulness, pulsatilla is the best remedy. Grief with apathy, acid fos is the best remedy. Grief with sympathy, causticum is the best remedy. Grief with strong disgust feeling, CPI is the best remedy. Grief with hysterical tendencies, simisafuga is the best remedy. And grief with grief, and grief, ignitia is the best remedy.